Hey guys, if you would like to see how I achieve this vision board, go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Hey. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Daysia, and as y'all see by the title, today we are creating a vision board. Okay, I decided that I wanted to do like a little mini vision board party with just my immediate family, and I'm so excited to do this, and I just want to bring you guys along with me to do this. So just go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let's get into this video. Okay, so let me go ahead and give y'all a little rundown. Basically, I normally do my vision boards on my phone. Let me show you. Just like this. It's like what? It's 11:55. I normally just have a picture like on my phone so I can see it. And I like to change that one within like every 6 months. Like what if I already hit my goals the first half of the year, then I'll go ahead and change my vision board the second half of the year. That way I can make sure I maintain those. Bless you, baby. This year I am so excited because I am going to actually create a poster board vision board. And I'm super excited about it because I never just did a vision board like where I can see it like up on my wall and all those good things. And for me, it's very, I love the like being visual. It's very visual for me, where I can see it and I can touch it and all those good things. But I still will be doing a vision board on my phone as well. I hear the fireworks. Okay, there's fireworks going on, guys. I'm trying to. Okay, so I am very into manifesting. If you guys are into human design, which is really good to get into if you want to know a little more about yourself. And my human design is a manifesting generator. So basically I like to manifest things to happen, and then as the generator I like to just get in and get the stuff done and hit my goals. But yes, so my human design is manifesting generator. So with that being said, for me, with my vision board, I'm gonna manifest it and then I'm gonna go out and get it done. And I'm all about letting it be out there into the universe. I know a lot of people are like, oh, hide it, don't tell people your goals, because you know, if other people know your goals, they're gonna be negative, da, da, da. I get that, that's all fine. But for me personally, I'm into law of attraction, and I know whatever I speak is gonna happen. So if I'm steady speaking more positive about myself and my goals and the things that I want to hit, I know it's gonna always knock out anybody else or whatever anyone have to say that's negative that I have going on. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this vision board. So right here, we're just doing our goals, separating them into the 4 F's, which is financial, faith, family, and fitness. Right here is just a diagram that I made. Here, stop. So today is the next day, which is New Year's Day. And last night we did the like a little mini vision board party, as far as writing down our goals and printing out our different pieces that will go on there. And but for me, I didn't finish my actual board. My bad, child. Hold on. I have all my pieces printed out. I'm excited about. So little footage of you guys seeing me actually cutting out everything and adding it to my vision board right now. So right here, I'm just getting all of my papers together so I can go ahead and cut them out. Cause Layla's sitting there watching her shows. How many of you guys ever made a vision board before? And was it helpful for you? Were you able to accomplish those goals? Are you a visual person? Let me know down in the comments. I really would like to know. I was so excited to make this vision board. Okay, y'all, so I have all of my cutouts. I'm so excited. Let's see if you can see that one. Hey, I have all of them, so I'm so excited. I'm about to go ahead and start designing and pasting it on my vision board. Yeah. Baby. Okay, so I have all of my pieces cut out, and I am just placing them on there the way I like. And y'all, I placed them on there perfectly. Like the different color scheme I had was not on purpose, but it came out perfectly for me. I am so excited about my vision board. It's so beautiful and so inspiring, and I cannot wait for all these goals to hit this year. Okay, I'm checking off all these goals this year, so y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So right here, you know, we listen to some Beyonce, getting lit. She inspiring, so that's my body goals. Be trying to get tight like that. I'm telling you, we had the whole Beyonce playlist by this time. This part is pretty much the way I set my goals. What I'm showing you right now are my journals, my planner, and yeah, that was my purpose planner. I really love that one. And so right now, I'm just getting ready to just go through inside of my planner and just plan out my week. I like to, my big goals that were on my vision board, I like to just put those into smaller goals. So my year goals, I break them down to monthly goals. My monthly goals, I break them down to weekly goals, and then weekly goals to daily goals, so I can make sure I hit them. One of my goals is drinking plenty of water. So even when I'm watching my shows, I make sure I have me a bottle of water beside me. So that's a good tip. If you want to consume more water and you feel like the time just be going by and you don't get a chance to, just keep one beside you. Also, another one of my goals is just to be in the moment, you know? Just intentionally do stuff. So for me, just going outside, you know, getting a breath of fresh air, you know, by myself, refocusing my energy, making sure I'm positive so everyone around me can be positive. I love, love, love that goal, and it's something I've been achieving and something I've been doing, and I just really appreciate that. Another thing is just movement, stretching, working out, whatever it is. I work from home, so me stretching, that's good. I love to do that to keep my body moving since I have a sit-down job. And breathing. Y'all, I love doing my breathing exercises. Y'all seen that in my self-care video. Just breathing. I love it. Hey, checking me out. Okay. Just intentional. Loving myself intentionally. Okay, now that I'm done with my journal, I like to just move on to my purpose planner. And I pretty much filled out this entire purpose planner, but sometimes I do like to just go through and remind myself of my purpose. I love this one by Socrates. To find yourself, think for yourself, okay? It's a lot of good quotes in this planner that I like to refer back to. Yeah, it's really, really good. I enjoy that. Now I'm getting ready to just move to my journal where I script and I manifest. So I like to script out what the perfect day for me, not necessarily perfect, but like a day in the life of Daysia, the millionaire. What am I doing when I wake up in the morning? What am I doing right then and there? Step by step, what am I doing? And I script out my entire day. That way I am manifesting the dream life I want, the day-to-day task I want, the way I want to run my life. I really, really love that. And my vision board, I'm so excited about my vision board. Everything on my vision board, I just pretty much make sure I put my task that's going to help me get to that vision board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I see you in the next one. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm out.